Hello. Today we are seeing how to use the customization settings in Google Chrome from 0 to 10. So let's start.
Which is Chrome, two dots, slash settings slash appearance. And then here you can choose your theme. You go to the Chrome Web Store and choose your theme. If you want some themes, just click the link up above so you can learn some themes if you want them. They are very cool. And under here, you can see the mode. You have two options: dark light device. With device, you can sync your uh, your mode with your PC mode. I already have a short about it, and I won't show it. I don't know why. And here you can choose to show the home button, and you will see the difference. I can't show you now because I'm only recording this tab, but you can see the difference up above, right in the left of the address bar. You will see a home button. You can click on it so you can go to a new tab page, or you can choose a link. I have it set to youtube.com. Here you can choose to show bookmark bars. The bar. If if you don't use it, you can just click here. And if you want to to show the tab preview, when you hover on a tab, you will show a preview. And you can also see the memory storage. I'll activate that. Here the side panel show on the right. If you click on it, it will be in the right or on the left. You can choose it here. Here the font size. The, I don't think about these font sizes. I can choose the fonts, and here you can see the page zoom if you want to change it. So here, this is how you use the customization settings in Google Chrome.